Hey, dear friends, welcome to this new live stream. I actually did a live stream this morning, but it was totally failed. So I decided to do another one now, and maybe if it's cool, it can be also a video, a replay video for YouTube. Pure data. And maybe you can ask myself, but why pure data? For many reasons. One of the first reason is that I want to master pure data a little bit more because it's free, and because in what I'm thinking today of my future, and in just an educational way, it's I think it's a good idea to have this particular app, which is free, and which is one of the best way to learn all electronic music and synthesizers kind of thing, and synthesis and also sampling and all this kind of thing. Today I would like to make some amplitude modulation kind of thing. So let's go. What we'll start to do first to have an audio output, add a multiplier tilde object, which is going here and here to have a pseudo stereo thing, and of course a number to control this volume between 0 and 1, because that's what we need for volume control. Okay. So what we need to do to make volume amplitude modulation, it's to have one oscillator that will be the modulator, and one oscillator that can be the carrier, the actual sound we'll listen to. So I will start with a modulation oscillator. So for that I need an OSC, which is an oscillator, and you add a tilde at the end. And for the purpose I understand pretty well everything, there is something I would like to show you. I can add this thing also. Oh, excuse me. Okay, to set the frequency of my oscillator. So this is, but I would like to add an kind of oscilloscope. Okay, so now this window.
Get on my head. Get on my head. Get on my head. Get on my head.
Here we are. So as you can see, we have the waveform is moving here. As you can see here, we have what we call a bipolar oscillator, because you're going from 1 to -1. To do an LFO, we need actually to have a unipolar oscillator. Is to do no, to add one. Of course, to add one to never been to -1. Jesus Christ. I think after all the, and I need a space. Here we are. Oh my god. Okay. I need this one, and to don't have negative to don't have negative value. But if I had it here, and you will see if I turn on the sound, I get some saturation, so I have to then divide by 2. And now I'm okay. Okay? 0 and 1 here. So this is my modulator, my modulation, my LFO in a way. Okay, maybe we can. This is my LFO. This is my LFO. Okay, it's okay. So then what we need to do if you want to do amplitude modulation is to, you can have another oscillator, so I can copy past this one here, and I have to multiply my LFO. I have to multiply my oscillator by my LFO. Okay. And here, let's call it OSC, oscillator sound. So I need another object and multiply tilde, and I take this, multiply by this, and then I'm back here. And here, voila. Here we have my amplitude modulation. Yes, here we are. So it works. I make this value higher. At the moment, what I will have is kind of a cross modulation, and I can create a kind of over richer timbre. Instead of using OSC, I can use phasor object, which is sawtooth object. Let's try. Let's say I pick my phasor here and plug it directly output here. Okay. And here, what you can remark is that the sawtooth object is by default unipolar. And if you want to use a sawtooth as a LFO to make more complex and noisy thing, we need to do the reverse of what we do for this one. Unipolar thing. What we have. For the moment, it changed nothing because this is this first phasor is my career, and while maybe I will need to do is to use feather as a LFO2 and do that. And maybe what I can do is to restrain a little bit this one, this property of this one to be a great LFO between 0 and, I don't know, 10. And because it's so tough, you can hear, so I can show you. Oh, this is a really interesting waveform. Yes, I will be back with other kind of thing. Maybe I can start from this patch and to make it evolve to have something uncontrollable as much as I can. So thank you very much for watching, my friend. And actually, this is on Twitch. This is a replay from Twitch. If you're looking, if you're watching it, excuse me, if you're watching it on YouTube, it's a replay from Twitch. So don't forget that I can add a little text about it. I have a Twitch channel. Okay, this is the actual. Oh, damn! This is the actual correct address. Twitch.tv Kalike Broad. So thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next one. Bye.